Okay, how do we find, we're given the asymptotes of the hyperbola with the vertices being 3, -5 and 3, 1. That tells me that this is going to be a vertical transverse because the x's are the same. That's very helpful because first off I need to find the midpoint. What's going to be nice is I know the x's are still going to be at 3, but let's go ahead and do this here. And the y's, I'm going to take that -5 and 1, add it together, divided by 2. And like I said, 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3. -5 and 1 is -4. Divided by 2 makes -2. So I know that my center is at 3, -2. And what I know is this here, all right? We also know then that this 1 minus -2, all right, will help give me where my eyes are like, this is 3. Right here, so I know the A is 3. The A is equals at 3. But I really knew that anyway. I knew the foci because like those were the numbers what? 3. Okay? And here's what I know. Y equals mx plus b. Alright? So here's what's going to happen. Think of this here. M is the same thing as the slope A over B because this is the one with the vertical transverse, so I know it's A over B. So here's what I know. If I go up to this problem right here, like this 2, M is 2, and I know that A is 3. Well, basically, if I multiply side by B and divide by 2, B has to be what? 3 over 2. So what I have is this. To write the equation, I have my Y minus K in A. I know the center is right here. So there's my K value. There's my X value, only they're inside liars. Here's my A and there's my B. So as I plug those in, notice the Y minus -2 will make it a +2. All right. I'm going to square like this right here. It's a minus. So we end up with, that's 9/4. If I have a 9/4 here, when you divide by fractions, you multiply by the reciprocal. So what's going to happen is that will become like a 4/9 right up here equals 1. I have now written the equation of the hyperbola given this particular information right here.